Have you ever wondered why some banks seem to exist only in the digital realm? Today, we're diving into one of those banks, Tangerine. Does this online-only institution have any physical branches? Let's find out. Before we answer that burning question, let's take a quick trip down memory lane. Remember the days when banks were synonymous with grand buildings, marble floors, and long queues? That's the traditional banking model. But as technology advanced, so did the way we interact with our finances. Online banking emerged as a convenient alternative, offering 24/7 access to your accounts from the comfort of your home. Tangerine was one of the early pioneers in this space, embracing the digital-first approach. Answering the question, does Tangerine have physical branches? Now, let's get to the heart of the matter. Does Tangerine have any physical branches? The short answer is no. Tangerine is a purely online bank. There are no brick-and-mortar locations where you can walk in and conduct your banking business. The benefits of online banking. This might seem counterintuitive to some, but there are several advantages to having an online-only bank. Convenience. Online banking offers unparalleled convenience. You can access your accounts anytime, anywhere, as long as you have an internet connection. No more worrying about bank hours or dealing with crowded branches. Lower fees. Online banks often have lower fees compared to traditional banks. This is because they eliminate the overhead costs associated with maintaining physical branches. Security. Contrary to popular belief, online banking is generally very secure. Modern banks employ advanced security measures to protect your personal and financial information. Eco-friendliness. By eliminating physical branches, online banks reduce their environmental footprint. Tangerine's unique offerings. While Tangerine might not have physical branches, it compensates by offering a range of unique features and benefits. High-interest savings accounts. Tangerine is known for its competitive interest rates on savings accounts. This can help your money grow faster. Investment options. Tangerine also provides investment options, including mutual funds and stocks. Mobile app. The Tangerine mobile app is user-friendly and packed with features, making it easy to manage your finances on the go. Excellent customer service. Tangerine prides itself on its customer service. You can reach out to their support team through phone, email, or live chat. Addressing common concerns. Some people may still be hesitant about banking online due to concerns about security or the lack of face-to-face interaction. However, it's important to note that online banking has come a long way. Modern banks have robust security measures in place, and while you won't have the same level of personal interaction as at a physical branch, Tangerine's customer service team is always available to assist you. So, to recap, does Tangerine Bank have physical branches? No, it does not. Tangerine is a purely online bank that offers a range of benefits, including convenience, lower fees, security, and eco-friendliness. While some people may miss the traditional banking experience, Tangerine's digital-first approach can be a great option for those who value convenience and efficiency. With that said, thanks for watching, and until next time.